Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Mehdi Hassan. I came here to learn that Froklift, and the Froklift address is that it's situated in Dhaka, Ashuila, Tongabari. Just beside of the Ashuila Bazzar, and they are really amusing people. They try to just teach that all of the students really cordially. And as I will go to the Europe, that's why I think that like it will be really a for like fortunate work for us. So if you want to learn that Froklift, that Jononi enterprise is the best in Bangladesh, and you can easily communicate to the Rana Bhai, who is the like I love him a lot because his behavior is really nice, and I think that like if you communicate one time, then you can easily recognize that how what type of person he is. Thank you everyone, and I am again invite you to come Jononi Enterprise to learn your Froklift. Thank you. Hi, I'm Mehdi Hassan. I'm a Froklift driver, and Rana brother is my just like trainer, and he teach me really well, and I have the really good experience of the Froklift driver. So if you want to hire me, I can just try to keep my everything to complete your job perfectly. Thank you.